Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to cover today are price list, unit prices, unit prices with unit conversions, unit prices find the total price. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 7 math. The chapter we are on right now is consumer prices. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is price list. Let's just start with the lesson. Baseball glove cost than a bicycle helmet. So the price of the bicycle helmet is $16, right? And the baseball glove is $28. Here is the price of bicycle helmet, and here is baseball glove. Baseball glove is $28 and helmet is $16. You have to see how much more baseball glove to bicycle helmet. So you need to do 28 minus 16. So 28 minus 16 is $12. That means the baseball glove is $12 more than the other one. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is how much more does a set of dishes cost than a baking dish, right? So let's just see baking dish. is, where is baking dish? Okay, here is set of dishes that is $98.37. And here is baking dish that is 15.26. So you have to see how much more set of dishes to baking dish. So that means you need to subtract 98.37 minus 15.26. So 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 9 minus 1 is 8. That is 83.11. That means the set of dishes is $83.11 more than baking dish, right? The correct option is 83.11. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, how much money does Jaden need to buy an autoclave and a scale? So autoclave is $113 and a scale is $568. So you have to see how much money does he need. So you have to add 568 plus 100, 13, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 and 6 and 7, and 5, 6, 7, 81, $681 you need to buy both autoclave and scale. Got it? The correct option is 600. That means Jaden needs $681 to buy scale and autoclave. Got it? Okay, the next one is, $4. Does he have enough to buy a ballet ticket and a concert ticket? So he have $94, right? And the concert of ballet ticket is, so the price of ballet ticket is $25 and the concert ticket is $75. Let's just add and see if he can buy both the tickets. 5 and 5, 10, 7, 8, 9 and 1, $100 he need. That means no, $94 is not enough to buy a ballet ticket and concert ticket. Got it? The correct option is no. How much money does Ima need to buy a red sweater and a pink sweater? So that means you need to add the price of red sweater and pink sweater. So which is the correct option? Red sweater is 13.74 and pink sweater is 16.61. So that means the total amount is, yes, option number 1 is the correct option. 30.35 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Luke has $341. Does he have enough to buy a set of bunk beds and a kitchen table? So you have to add the price of the bunk bed and the kitchen table, right? So which is the correct option? He have $341, right? So which is the correct option? I think yes. You have to add 146 and 195. So yes, when you add them, they both equal $341, right? That means yes, he have enough money to buy the bunk bed and kitchen table because he have what, $341, and when you add the prices of both, they cost $341, right? Okay. So the cost than a whale keychain. So beach postcard is 0.77, right? And whale keychain is 0.26. So which is the correct option? How much more it is? You have to subtract 0.77 to 0.26. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 0.51. Option number one is the correct option, right? How much more does a cello cost than a saxophone? So which is the correct option? 930 is for cello and saxophone is 821. So how much more it is, you have to subtract, right? The correct option is 109. Option number one is the correct option. That means cello is $109 more than saxophone, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices. Let's just start with the lesson. An 8 pack of felt tip pens cost $5.92. What is the unit price? So basically, the unit price means you need to find the price of one unit, right? Like for example, look at this example, an 8 pack of felt tip pen cost 5.92. That is a pack of 8 pens, right? And that cost $5.92. That is a collective price of the 8 pens. So calculating the price of the one pen is known as the unit price, right? So when you have to calculate the price of one pen, how do we calculate? Divide 5.92 by 8, right? And you will get the value of the single item. So 5.92 divided by 8 is $0.74. So that means the price of one pen is $0.74. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. A 7 pound bag of onions costs $2.73. What is the unit price? So that is the price of 7 pound bag. You need to calculate the price of 1 pound. So what you have to do, you have to divide the given value by the by the quantity. That is the 2.73 is the cost of 7 bags. So divided by the 7, right? So 7 times 3 is 21, 4 and 7 times, sorry, 6, 7 times 9 is 63. So the correct option is $0.39. That means the price of 1 pound bag of onion is $0.39. The correct option is $0.39. Option number two is the correct option. Got it? That is $0.39. A 2 pack of hot dogs is $1.80. So what is the unit price? So which is the correct option? So 1.80 divided by 2 is the price of one hot dog because that is the price of two hot dog, right? So 1.80 divided by 2 equals 0.90. Option number 2 is the correct option. A four pack of sweatshirts cost $11.96. What is the unit price? You have to calculate the price of one shirt. So simply divide 11.96 by 4. You can have the value of the one shirt. So let me just divide 11.96 divided by 4. That is 4 times 2 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. You have to put decimal point 4 times. 9 is 36. 3 brings 6 down and 4 times 9 is 6. So that means the correct option is 2.99. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is $2.99. Option number 1 is the correct option. A 5-meter roll of brown paper costs $0.35. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Yes, 1 is the correct option. That would be $0.05. Option number 1 is the correct option. A 9 pack of toaster pastries costs $4.14. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? $4.14 divided by 9, just divide, right? So which is the correct option? That is $0.46. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is $0.46. A 4-meter roll of tape cost $1.12. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? So you have to divide 1.12 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 2. That is $0.28. Option number 2 is the correct option. A 7 pack of marbles costs $0.70. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, option number one is the correct option. That would be 0.10 marble per marble. Got it? You have to divide 13.40 by 5. So which is the correct option? 13.40 divided by 5 is, yes, that is $2.68. Option number one is the correct option. You have to calculate the price of one pack. So you have to divide 30.40 by 5. So that is $2.68. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson is, that is unit price with unit conversions. Okay, a 2 pint bottle of dish soap costs $10.48. What is the price per cup? So first you have to convert unit conversion, right? The unit conversion means here you are given the value of the pence, 2 pence bottle, and here you have to calculate the prices of per cup. Pence and cups, they are two different units, right? So first you have to do the unit conversion and then you have to calculate the unit price. So how do we do the unit conversion? 1 pint equal 2 cups. First calculate the cost per cup cost, right? You have 2 pints here. In 1 pint, you have 2 cups. So in 2 pints, you have 4 cups. So that means $10.48 is the price of 4 cups because you have 2 cups because 1 pint equal 2 cups. So 2 pint is same as 4 cups. So to find the price per cup, you have to divide it by the 4.48 by 4 equals $2.62. So that means the dish soap costs $2.62. So first you have to see they must be in the same units. You can not calculate the values in the different units. So they must be in the same units. Like if you are calculating the value of the cup, so you have to convert first pints to cup and then you have to calculate, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Piece of aluminium wire costs $10.80. What is the price per inch? So you can see here. Here you are given the price of the price in feet, and here you have to calculate the inches, right? So first you have to convert from feet to inches, right? 1 foot equal 12 inches. Here you have 5 foot. This the basic unit is 1 foot equal, and 1 foot you have 12 inches. right? So in 5 times 12, that is, divide that $10.80 by 60 because you have to calculate the value in inches. So 10.80 divided by 60 is 0.18. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is $0.18. Got it? Any question you can please ask if you have any. So the correct option is option number 1, that is $0.18. Let's just move on to next lesson. A 2-yard roll of butcher costs $3.90. What is the price per foot? So which is the correct option? You have to convert from yard to feet, right? 1 yard equal 3 feet. 1 yard 3 foot. So here your value is given for 2 yards. So then 2 yards equal 2 times 3, that is 6 foot, right? So you have to divide 3.90 by 6. So which is the correct option? That is $0.65. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2, that is $0.65. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, a 3-gallon bucket of paint cost $141.60. What is the price per cup? So you have to convert first from gallons to cup, right? So the conversion unit is gallons to cup. 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? 1 gallon equal 16 cups, right? Right. So you have to do 3 times 48 cups, right? So you have to divide 141.60 by 48. So which is the correct option? You have to divide 141.60 divided by 48. So which is the correct option? That is $2.95. Option number 2 is the correct option. So the basic thing here is first you have to convert the units. Then you have to calculate the price of the per unit. As in the question, you are given a 3 gallons bucket of paint. That is the price of 3-gallon bucket, right? But you have to calculate the value price per cup. Gallons and cups are two different units. In 1 gallon, you have 16 cups, right? So that means in 3 gallons, you have 3 times 16, that means 48 cups. 3 gallons is same as 48 cups. Now divide the cost by $48. By 48 cups, that would be $2.95. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $2.95. A 2-gallon bottle of fabric softener costs $16.96. What is the price per cup? Again, that is a conversion from gallons to cup. And we know that 1 gallon equal 16 cups, right? So then 2 gallons equal 2 times 16, that is 32 cups. Now divide price by 32. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, that is $0.53. A 2-quart container of window cleaner costs $4.64. What is the price per pint? So you have to convert from quart to pint, right? So let's just see 1 quart equal how many pints? 1 quart equal 2 pints. 1 quart equal 2 pints, right? So that means 2 quart equal 2 times 2 pints. So that means that 4.64 is the price of 4 pints. So just divide it by the 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is $1.16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices, find the total price. Let's just start with the next lesson. To buy 3 kilograms of related sugar, how much will she spend? So the granulated sugar costs $3 per kilogram, right? I bought by 3 kilograms. So you have to do 3 times 3. That means the total money he spent is the correct option is $9. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Carla buy 4 kilograms of purple beets. How much does she spend? So which is the correct option? That is 4 kilograms of purple beets she want to buy, right? And the purple beets are 2 times 2. That means the total amount is $8. So she spent $8 to buy 4 kilograms of purple beet. Got it? How much money does Dana need to buy 3 pair of jeans? So which is the correct option? That is 3 times 20.18, right? So the correct option is 60.54 is the correct option. John bought 4 pounds of gummy bears. How much did he spend? So which is the correct option? You have to do the gummy price. The gummy bears is $3.83, right? So 3.83 times 4 is, that is $15.32. Option number 1 is the correct option. How much money does Hannah need to buy a 9 baseball tickets and 6 hockey tickets? So which is the correct option? 9 baseball tickets, right? So the baseball tickets cost $10, right? So you have to do 9 times 10 because Hannah wants to buy 9 baseball tickets. So 9 times 10 is 9 tickets. He need $90, and hockey tickets is $14. $14 times 6 is 6 times 4 is 24. 80. You have to calculate the total amount. Just add them. That means in total she need $174. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is option number 2. Neil purchased 5 kilograms of blue cheese, and 3 kilograms of mozzarella. What was the total cost? So 5 kilograms of blue cheese. So the blue cheese per kilogram is $1.46. So 5 times 1.46 is 7.3, and then mozzarella is 3 times 2.66. 7.98 plus 7.3, that is 15.28. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is $15.28. Got it? How much money does Rick need to buy 7 beach blankets? So which is the correct option? 12 times 7 is $84. That means Rick need $84 to buy 7 beach blankets. How much How much money did does Vicky needs to buy 3 kitchen tables and 6 sets of bunk bed? So one kitchen table costs 229. So he have to buy 3 kitchen. So 3 times 229 is $687. We have to do 3 times 229. That is $687, right? And the 6 sets of bunk bed means you have to do 6 times 465, that is 6 times 465, that is 2790. So just add them, right? 2790 plus 687 equals 3477. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are price lists, unit prices, unit prices with conversion, unit conversions, unit prices, find the total price. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact and on the Skype. You can join me in the session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and to 10. So that's for today. See you. Bye everyone.